takes up my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the real Starjai. So today is 4th of July weekend, so it's the 2nd. So we haven't had a family reunion in so long, so all of the youngins are getting together today so we're having a little cousins event. She dragged me. We're having a little cousins event. We're finna have water slides, we're finna have water guns, water balloons, tents, food, everything. So y'all, let me show y'all what one of the, we just got the grass cut, but one of our uncles, they said the tents was up, y'all. Let me show y'all what tents he got. I thought he was gonna have a big tent. Look at them little old tents. Let me show you. I'm thinking they talking about the big white tents, but I guess that's good enough. But it's supposed to rain in a few, and I bet they fly away. Yeah, we thought it was the big tent. We have the grass is nicely cut. Yes, the grass is cut. And yeah, there's the porta potty. So we're gonna keep y'all updated with our adventure today. Hope you guys enjoy our little family fun day, you know. Okay, so y'all, we are back. We are actually cooking right now. I'm making a rotel. I'm gonna put some more cheese in there and start making the sandwiches. Yes. And we also have meatballs in the making. Crock pot. This what you need. We got pizza coming. You gonna see y'all that soon. Drinks and all. So we just keeping y'all updated before we get started. So TTYL. Get him, Sky. And then y'all, it was start. Get your one. What you got? Sky, get him. What you got, Jawan? What is that? What? When you was using me as bait.
That's some steam, man. Alright, go, cuz. That was crazy.
Let me shoot you with.
Give it to me then. Give it to me. Right, let me show you how I feel so we don't hurt. Let me show you how I feel.
Nah, that's why he said it didn't hurt. It ain't coming out. Go, 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 go!
You said no soap?
He just want to fall.
Put that soap
You heard me? You heard me? Huh?
Let's put this soap over here.
What'd you say, Leah?
It's going that way.
Welcome back, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, we'll stick together.
Here.
Ain't no way. These allowing. These allowing. These allowing.
Go. Woo! Okay. Quay, don't do it so close to the other thing. We got a whole bunch of road. Don't do it too close to the other box. That TTC, scoot over. Yeah. Oh. That one was good. Scoot over, son, so I can see. There we go. That was nice.
Hi, I'm Star. And I'm Sky. And thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel, The Real Star and Sky.